That time I understood that I want to dedicate my PhD to Pakistani students, because before I knew how to teach foreigners in general, but being a teacher here in Punjab University. Actually, before we had a Russian language department for about 15 years, but I used to teach in a very small room, and the condition of that room was not modernly, you can say, equipped, because we could not involve different videos content, different audio content that is very helpful for teaching foreign language. Basically, last year we received a grant from Russian government, from Россотрудничество. We received this furniture, this LCD, as well as modern books of Russian language for Pakistani students. And you can see the color is white, black, and blue. And this is exactly, these three colors are present in Russian flag. So that was also the idea of Russian government. Basically, I had bachelor in Russian and literature to how to teach Russian students, and my master program was in Russian as foreign language. And after completing my master in 2009, in June, I got job here in Punjab University in August for 2 months in the same field, you can say. The majority of people who are getting admission here in Russian department, they are businessmen, and they are either have business in Russia and former Soviet Republic, or they are planning to have it, and as well as students who wants to help to get education in Russia. Because, by the way, Russian Center for Science and Culture that I also mentioned in this interview, they're dealing with scholarship for Pakistani students. Many years ago, it was not as warm as they are right now. Number of scholarship to Pakistani students that increasing every year is also a sign of making the relationship good and warm and tight. Oh, that is totally different country, absolutely different from all aspects, from aspect of culture, from of course the aspect of language, because the language are very different. But it's a new experience, and I never regret that I'm here. Pakistan is my country. I even received nationality. I'm Pakistani national. So, in other words, I'm also very proud to bring Russian heart in Pakistan, and to be part of this university, and to deliver Russian language as well as Russian culture to my students.